If your body goes into a really injured state where the cells are really damaged because you're overtraining or because you're super stressed, well then your body is going to have a lot more free radicals. So consequently, to find balance, your body's going to increase some of these natural antioxidants. In this case, glutathione is one of the most potent ones. The body's going to naturally increase those levels so it can bring the levels back to normal, keep you in balance. The problem is sometimes our glutathione stores can get depleted. And what happens then is we have oxidative stress that overwhelms the body and can make you feel downright miserable and weak. Now let's talk about the liver, and specifically how the liver works when it's metabolizing alcohol and how glutathione actually plays a pretty big part in that. You see, when you take a sip of alcohol, when you're out with your friends and you're just chilling, you take that sip of alcohol, as soon as it hits your mouth, as soon as it hits your saliva, it is converted into something called acetaldehyde. You see, but not all of that alcohol is converted into acetaldehyde, only most of it. So the remainder travels down into your liver